singing lady.
Hey, yeah? Do you want me to come?
Yeah, why don't you tell them a little bit about this new corner that we put together
Sure.
this year, this whole fine china exhibit.
No problem.
I turned on the lights temporarily just so we could see something, but...
Welcome to our little William Ashley corner here. This is what I like to refer to it as. We sell lots and lots and lots of sets of dishes. You know, when people think that nobody wants china anymore, it's really just not the truth. We have such great success. And so because of that, and because we were selling so many sets and needing more sets, we decided to transform this corner of the store to our dishes. Now, this is not all of our sets. We also have tables set with dishes and china cabinets with dishes. But our merchandisers feed off of this and reset tables and move other sets into here. And new sets go into these cabinets. This is a really great way to be able to see a lot of the sets of dishes we have all in a glance. You know, for instance, these are all sort of our everyday kind of section. Denby and Lottie, people love Lottie.
Can you open those doors?
Of course, yeah.
A little bit nicer look in there.
So this is Denby Langley. This is something you can use every day. Denby is so hot, it's still popular. The colorful stuff is usually a little bit faster to sell. Here's a nice everyday Mikasa set. A little bit more Denby down here at the bottom, and this is Lottie. I mean, people love Lottie, especially in the purple and the pink. But this is the green. This is the Market Lottie. This can be used every day and put in the dishwasher. So these are things that are dishwasher safe, basically. Yeah. And then fine china. Why don't we go here? So we take all kinds of china at different price points. Everyday china, good china that you really wouldn't want to put in the dishwasher. So this is a really affordable Nido ware set by Noritake. You wouldn't want to put it in the dishwasher, but it's a lovely thing and can be used all year round when you're entertaining. This is more ornate, of course. It's got lots of gold, so you would definitely want to avoid the dishwasher on this one. And here's a really beautiful blue rock, dainty shaped set of Shelley china. Shelley is so highly desired. It's such a pretty thing. And look at this, these are gorgeous. These are made by Adderley, and these are double-handled cream soups. So pretty in cobalt blue and gold. A lovely addition to your dining table when you're having soup for dinner. Kind of a thing of the past, but still highly desired. So lots of different kinds of china. And this is just a fun corner. It's very bright and cheering. We get lots of compliments about this corner of the store. So we're super happy about that. Used to be our rug rack area actually, but now it's become a much brighter, nicer place to shop back here in the corner. And
the rug rack has moved over to the other side of the parking lot?
Yeah, so we're using the rug rack for lots of things actually, not just rugs, but also drapery treatments, large tapestries. So it's coming in handy really over there for displaying bigger things that can hang and suspend. And it was a great idea to move it over there. Super good. We're really happy about that.
Yeah. But of course, the merchandising is like every table has a set of china.
Yeah, so if you come over here, well, you've got the lights on over here, and I just stand here. Everybody just absolutely is drawn to this table because of the color of this china.
Let me get in there a little closer on this.
Yeah, I'm going to hold up a piece for you because it's outstanding. It kind of reminds you of shopping at Tiffany, actually, because that's the color. And it's called Ulanda Powder Turquoise, and it's made by Wedgwood. And it's actually a complete set for 12. And it's at an excellent price point right now. I can't believe no one's grabbed this yet. But there's a time and a place for everyone and everything. Right now, this whole set is going for $1,621. And it's complete for 12. So there's 12 of everything.
And today is the date, just so for reference?
The last date on it was January the 29th. And so it's going to hold at that price for February, March, April, until the end of April. So hopefully somebody will take advantage.
Maybe a little bit longer just because of the
Yeah, of course. Of course. We wouldn't be sending expired items home too quickly. We'll give everybody a little bit more time to let people scoop up some deals, right? That might be at the bottom price. So that's really gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Love it.